can't show you under the microscope because, well, I don't know how to film that. But even inside, the little bugs will come. So I'm going to go ahead and do a video on my next update on the use of neem oil and soap, because that's what I'm hitting with today. Sorry about the light, but I did show some of I did take a lot of them off, but I got a little mite, and I did look at it under a microscope. And so this here, I put in a drop of that lemon soap, just soap, and then I just put in a couple of drops of neem oil, and then I just spray, and I just give it a nice bath all over. And being that one plant has been infected, I'm going to go ahead and treat all the plants. This really isn't an update. This is just preventive care. So we're going to hit them for the next 3 days, and I'm going to go ahead and take care of everybody else. Because of the heat, I'm telling you, this plant has really taken off. Doing really well. Everything's doing pretty well. Gotta take care of this mite problem. It's just a little short video just to show you they can come inside just as well. So we still have some tomatoes ripening, and we do still have some new little plants. So we want to protect those so we get our tomatoes. That's all. Have a wonderful Father's Day. Bye.